In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate any text in Final Cut Pro professionally. We don't need any other plugins or software, and it's completely free using Final Cut Pro. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this is on sample clip, and I want to animate on text on top of it. So I'm going to click a text or title from here. I'm going to click here, and the title window will be here. From here, we can click basic text, or we can just type basic, and we'll see some basic title is there. I'm going to choose this basic title because it will be easier to understand. So I'm going to drag it and drop it over here, and if we play, we'll see that the title is like that. Let's do one thing. Let's increase the size of this title so that it will be easily visible. So I'm going to make the size a little bit bigger like this, and also if you want, you can choose any other font. For example, I'm going to choose this font, Impact, and you can choose regular, or if there is bold option you can choose. And also if you want some other things, you can also modify from here, and if you wish, you can put it all caps also. It will be all caps. Now I am going to change the title like FewSteps. Okay, now I will animate this. So to do animation, we just need to open the transition. So like on your Final Cut Pro, you will find this type of icon, a small icon on the right side here. So you just need to click here, and this type of window will be appeared. This is the transition window, and here there are many styles are there. All of these styles are good. It depends your choice which one you are using. So I'm going to choose this one, and I'm dragging it and I'm dropping it on top of the text, and here it applied. Now if we try to play, you will see that the cross dissolve, it is applying like that. If you want to use other style, you can also do. Like for example, I want to add some other style. There is one popular style which is called spin. You can also search here, and from here you can choose the spin. So I'm going to choose this spin effect over here of this transition, and I'm dropping it. Now let's play and check how it is working. See, here it is spinning and the text is visible. Now when the text will be disappeared, it will also spin like this way. See, it is spinning like that way. There is also other things. So dissolve, spin, these are popular. Then there is slide, and some other things are there. So if you are making YouTube video, there is another trend or effect you can use, that is inside here. If you click here, this thing, this effect, then you can also add or search, not add, you can search the hand held this effect. You can drag it and also drop it on top of the text. So that's it. In this way you can also add the animation and transition together. So hopefully by watching this video, you will be able to animate text in Final Cut Pro without using any add-ons or some other paying software.